Good morning, this is Hiker Dude Dad, Mad Taco. We are going to do a couple different things today here at Yellowstone. We are going to explore the upper falls here in the canyon. And then we're going to walk around the South Rim and eventually make our way down to Yellowstone Lake. Let's go. The mist rising into the sunbeams. Misty canyon down there. And you can see the spray from the falls. Can't quite see the falls yet. Lower Falls yesterday was 308 feet tall. Upper Falls today 109 feet tall. But this one goes down and then it goes around a bend and then plunges into the lower falls into the canyon. And there's where Lower Falls, Upper Falls plunges. We'll go down there next. Some more cascades up top here. Alright, that was so cool. It's so great that you can get so close to these two giant waterfalls here in the canyon. We're noticing the far wall of the canyon is just all moss and plants and everything from that constant mist that was rising up. So next stop, South Rim. We'll explore South Rim of the canyon a little bit.
You might put your window up mostly, please. Oh my god.
Little traffic jam there. We're just on the opposite side of the upper falls now. Got another viewpoint from the South Rim this time. Alright, so the upper falls again. You can see out here where we were just a little bit ago. So far the South Rim here seems a lot quieter, a lot less people here. But you know, the Rockstar lookouts, I think, are over on the other side, which we did yesterday. Yeah, kind of obstructed here, but we'll keep going. Beautiful pine forest walk here at the rim of the canyon. Yeah, we do have the south rim mostly to ourselves here. Oh, here we go. Down through the trees you can see sort of a little rainbow from the mist. But then here's our south rim view of the lower falls. You can see everybody on the platform there that we were on yesterday. It's a B-dog. You walk on that balance beam?
Yeah. I slid almost trying to like...
You got this one tree leaning on this other tree. And these two guys
I like barely
absolutely like just halfway on this ledge. Yeah. I don't think these two guys are going to be here too long. Still some pretty thin air up here. It's a great view of the rainbow mist down there at the bottom of Lower Falls. That's awesome. Alright, so we're on our way back to the parking lot. It's an out and back trail, so not much more to see here. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. This is a super vacation. This trip is awesome, and we're really just still at the beginning. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you later.